guys, what's going on? Anthony Darst, aka Anthony D. Say. I'm back, and today we're going to be taking a look at how my first week went as a DailyPay client. Woohoo! Let's get into it. I received my first DailyPay statement before I even woke up this morning. I also received this Ketchup email, which I'm going to go over with you real quick before I go over my first statement. Ketchup email reads as follows. Hey, Anthony, did you check your bank account yet? We were working throughout the night to make sure that you had cash in your bank account before the time you woke up and had your first cup of coffee. We hope that seeing the money in your bank account brings a bit of security, peace, and a secret smile to your day. Well, it does. You may have also noticed that the deposit was bigger than your usual daily amounts. We call your first payment the Catchup payment. It's because the amount of money you received is based off of your entire week's rides to date. We know it's a great feeling. It sure is. And then it goes on about the referral program, and it thanks me for becoming a part of the community, essentially. Now let's take a look at my DailyPay statement. At the top here it says, congrats. This is your first payment. We have caught you up on your payments by sending you what you are owed so far for the current pay period. So the payment I received was $1,422.79. This number is 90% of my earnings from my Uber trips last week, minus the 10% that I'll be seeing on Thursday, which is considered the reserve payment. So guys, follow me. Since today is Monday, that is a beginning of Uber's next pay period. Therefore, if you were to sign up today, you won't receive your catch-up payment for last week tomorrow. Feel me? But not to worry, DailyPay will start sending you your daily earnings, and on Thursday you'll get caught up from last week's trips with Uber. You guys can sign up for DailyPay using my referral code IAMAnthonyD, or feel free to look at the link below. I'll go ahead and put the link there. That'll bring you directly to the sign up page. Guys, for details on how to sign up, go ahead and check out my first video where I go through a thorough process of the sign up. And then on Thursday, feel free to check with me because I'm going to go over my first weekly statement. Ding! Check it out. Peace.